ये आपका हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है, क्या ये रिफ्लेक्शन की कमी है या आप
नहीं, होता क्या है ना कि हेलीकॉप्टर जब उड़ता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर जगह में हेलीकॉप्टर उड़ता है। अगर आप समुद्र में चले जाएंगे और सबमरीन के अंदर बोलेंगे यहाँ हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं उड़ रहा है तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगी। Yes, that's my responsibility. वो मेरा job है, मेरा responsibility. I'll always take it. But at the same time, there will be times when I won't finish a job because बाकी भी खेलने ही आए ऐसा थोड़े कि मैं नीचे वहाँ बैटिंग करता हूँ तो मेरे पे वो टीका लगा हुआ है कि यार ये बैटिंग कर रहा है जीत गया ना। इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट। आपको अगर कोई अच्छा यॉर्कर डाल रहा है तो अच्छा यॉर्कर डाल रहा है, आप यॉर्कर को छक्का नहीं मार सकते। कई बार लोग बोलते हैं हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट नहीं मारेगा, मतलब बाउंसर को हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट आदमी कहाँ से मारेगा।
घर कैसे चलाते बाप को मत सिखा, पहले से दिक्कत 99, अपनी सलाह को डाल अपनी गाने में बे भाई।
Do this job, taking the gloves off, being the fourth seamer in the team. Brilliant! And look at him! Isn't he pleased? What a great moment! What a magnificent moment for the captain. His teammates love it, he loves it, the crowd love it.
Oh, close in swing. Is he going to give him? Is the captain? Yes! Would you believe it? Mahela Jayawardene wants it.
Miss, my question for you is that before you started playing cricket and you were still an aspiring cricketer and you wanted to get into Team India, where did you see yourself while you were retiring or while you were done playing cricket? Have you already achieved or was something different?
Sorry. You'll have to repeat the last part.
Okay, so I was saying...
सीधा सवाल पूछो ना, आगे का हटाओ, सीधा सवाल जो है सवाल पूछो।
Come on, you've got an opportunity now. Please tell him. Please tell him.
भैया केविन पीटरसन बोल रहा है कि वो आपसे बेटर गोल्फर है। He's still my first test wicket.
Now we'll go to... Bye.
और फिर इधर रखने का।
सड़ी ये गरीब छोकरे को भी कुछ दे दो ना।
नहीं, एक बार में एक सवाल बहुत सारे लोग, क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपको खुशी नहीं हुई कि इंडिया जीत गया। नहीं सुनिए, बात सुनिए। आपकी आवाज से, आपके टोन के, आपके सवाल से ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको खुशी नहीं हुई है कि इंडिया जीत गया है, ठीक है। और जहां तक क्रिकेट की मैच की बात की जाए तो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होता है। इट्स नॉट अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट। आपको एनालाइज करना होता है कि हम टॉस हारने के बाद जिस विकेट में हमने बैटिंग की थी, क्या कारण था कि हम ज्यादा रन नहीं बता पाए। अगर आप ये सारी चीजें बाहर बैठ के एनालाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो यू शुडंट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन।
तेरा भाई किससे कम है? ओ तेरे भाई मेरी दम है।
So Zahir Khan's. Every now and then he's just getting them in that right area.
तो इधर पुजारा को उसी के लिए रखा है, उधर ताली बजाने के लिए नहीं है। और श्री उधर गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है, इधर आजा थोड़ा।
Name is John C.
Hi, Miss. My question to you is, how difficult is it to not give the ball to Harbhajan Singh, given he's a seasoned spinner? Like it happened in the last game.
I have a lot of cars and bikes in my house. And I don't ride all at a time.
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch. I ain't fuck.
Were you relieved when Steve Smith shook your hand with 4 overs left and you didn't have to finish the game?
I was ready to play. I had played 14-15 overs, another 4 overs. Maybe they were too tired to bowl 4 overs. That's a very Aussie answer I have given.
Hang on, after this tournament?
Come here, let's have some fun. Please come here. Come. Seriously.
You want me out there?
Yeah, come. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
Okay.
I just want to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India as a wicket keeper.
This is true.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No.
Looking at me running?
Very fast.
You think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure. Yes. Sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
That's nasty. That definitely needs some medical investigation. It's 10% impact on the helmet. Gone for it, and he's hit it pretty well. It's a good response from Dhoni. Flintoff was going
हमला फिर होगा MS धोनी तैयार सीधी शॉट 6 रन्स oh dear what a mess up that is take a look at him now he's just saying bye to him and it's Lakshmi that they're appealing for. What shot was that? We'll have to find the description for it. Good effort that. Brathwaite, one of the newcomers. What kind of shot was that?
Not using that. Now that speed's getting up to 140 kilometers an hour. So he's saying if you're ducking under it, trying to get out of the way, and then the ball hits you, that's fine. But what Brazil is trying to tell Dhoni is that you stood in the way, to almost like you're offering your body to the ball.
Look, he's ducking there, he's moving, he sees the ball coming. He's not just standing there and saying, oh please hit me, Mitchell Johnson. And I think he's every...
वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करके जाना हो और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में तब तक के लिए टाटा।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show